Yesterday we talked about your this biodiversity hotspots. What are biodiversity hotspots and what are the factors for which, considering which we keep certain areas under hotspots? We have studied that. Talking about India, India has three biodiversity hotspots. One is your Indo-Burma, Himalayas, Western Ghats, and Sri Lanka. The protected areas means basically these are protected areas. They are ecological or biogeographical areas as where biological diversity along with the natural and cultural resources is protected, maintained and managed through legal or other effective measures. Like government has declared these areas as hotspots, and the main work is to protect these hotspots from extinction of endemic species and any sort of danger whatever these areas are facing, and they are defined and delimited on the basis of biological diversity. Example, cold desert, which is your Thar, wetland, Assam, saline swampy areas, Sundarbans. Protected areas include national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, and these are all the names: national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. And they are areas maintained by government and reserved for betterment of wildlife cultivation, grazing, and forestry, and habitat manipulation are not allowed. Means these protected areas, nobody can interfere in these areas except the government, and government decides each and everything for these areas, and no alteration. You cannot just enter these areas, protected areas, and do whatever you wish to do. So there are 89 national parks in India occupy nearly 1.1% of geographical area, and sanctuaries. So what are sanctuaries? Sanctuaries are the tracts of land with or without the lakes where wild animals or fauna can take refuge without being hunted, and certain other activities like collection of forest products, harvesting, timber, private ownership are also allowed. But biosphere reserves are highly protected areas and no activities allowed in them, and your sanctuaries are the lands or pieces of land which are supposed to be protected with a certain amount of activities which is allowed by the government, and all these things are decided by government only.